Listen up, you lot. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of Caribbean cuisine with Michelle Trusselle's Chilli Chicken Rundown with lime rice. This recipe is a bloody explosion of flavor, a testament to Michelle's Jamaican heritage and her culinary prowess. Michelle, a MasterChef The Professionals semi-finalist, knows her spices. And this dish is a knockout punch of deliciousness. This recipe isn't for the faint of heart. We're talking bold, spicy flavors that'll transport you straight to the sun-drenched shores of Jamaica. The chicken is marinated to perfection and the rundown sauce, let me tell you, it's a revelation. This is more than just a recipe. It's an experience. It's about embracing the heart and soul of Jamaican cooking and bringing a taste of the islands to your kitchen. So are you ready to get your hands dirty and create some magic? Now let's talk rundown. This traditional Jamaican cooking technique is the backbone of this dish. It's all about simmering ingredients in a rich coconut milk and tomato sauce until it reduces down to a flavor-packed symphony. Imagine this: coconut milk, fragrant Scotch bonnet peppers, and juicy tomatoes slowly simmering away, their flavors intertwining and intensifying with every passing minute. That's what rundown is all about, layering flavors and creating a sauce so good you'll want to lick the plate clean. This technique isn't just about flavor, it's about preserving the nutritional goodness of the ingredients. We're talking about a dish that's both delicious and wholesome. And that, my friends, is a winning combination. Get ready for a shopping list that's as vibrant as the dish itself. We're talking fiery red chilies, fragrant garlic and ginger, fresh herbs like thyme and coriander, and of course, the star of the show: plump, juicy chicken thighs. Don't even think about using that pre-ground pepper nonsense. We're using whole Scotch bonnet chilies for an authentic Jamaican kick, and trust me, a little goes a long way. For the lime rice, we're keeping it simple but flavorful. Fluffy basmati rice, zesty lime juice and zest, and a sprinkle of fresh herbs are all you need to create the perfect accompaniment to this flavor-packed dish. First up, we're marinating the chicken, and let me tell you, this marinade is a flavor bomb. We're talking red chilies, ginger, garlic, herbs, and spices, all blended together to create a paste that'll infuse the chicken with incredible flavor. Once the chicken has had a good soak in that marinade, it's time to get it nice and golden brown. A hot griddle pan is all you need to sear in those flavors and give the chicken a beautiful char. While the chicken is roasting, we're going to create that magical rundown sauce. It's all about simmering, reducing, and building layers of flavor. Trust me, the aroma alone will have your mouth watering. Finally, we're going to assemble this masterpiece. Fluffy lime rice, tender, juicy chicken, and that incredible rundown sauce. Garnish with fresh coriander, a squeeze of lime, and get ready for a taste sensation that'll blow your socks off.